Hello everyone! Today I'll teach you how to make a secret passway out of anvils. You say you want to hide these stuff, right? Well, there is a way out of anvils. Just choose what if your house is made of stone, you got a pickaxe. You know, my house is made out of wood. Not house, but my wall is made out of wood. In your case, house. Secret house. Then just make a 2 hole like this. Place an anvil. See this little gap? Go there. Place an anvil and you go through the wall. It's a glitch. Repeat. And you also need a pickaxe if you make a mistake. Always bring a pickaxe with you. And also you gotta break it, and so someone might find out. There. This is example of a secret base. And I'll hide my stuff now. Okay, I'll hide my stuff. But stupidly, I forgot my anvils. Okay, let's do it. Now I'll put my stuff here. There, done. Please hit the like below. Can we get 1,000 likes? Can we? Thank you, and good.